Oh god, funny bunny monkeys? Yes, this is my revenge for all the damage you've caused. Get ready. You killed him, you monster! There we go. Oh my god, what happened to the explorers? They going crazy. Oh, I think he's glitching. Gotta go. Oh my god, there's that funny bunny monkey I have ever seen in the Flea wasn't Toontastic 5. So, I'm gonna go. See you later, freaking dead things. Oh god, not again! What? How are you people alive? It's like killed you in episode 2.
That's right. We're gonna have a battle for today. Fight me! Yeah, I agree with you. Yeah!
Okay, there's only one way to defeat them. Is by a rape. What? Yes. Now let's.